Hey everybody, it's Ben here. I just got my January electric bill and I have no idea what it's going to be. I want to open it with you live on camera. Now keep in mind that I installed my own solar panels. I'm on time of use plan with my electric company and I have not one but two plug-in electric vehicles. So let's open this up. We'll take a look at what my electric bill here in the real world actually came to. And then what I'm probably going to do after that is crunch the numbers, see if we can make a little sense of this. But what it comes down to on the very bottom line is amount due $40.34. Let's go inside, crunch the numbers, and see what this really means and why it came to this. So this certainly is an interesting electric bill. For starters, it's a little higher than I was expecting. Last month's was about $30. This was just over $40. I would have thought, if anything, it should have been pretty close to last month's. But this also was a lot of energy. We used 723 kilowatt hours. And in fact, I got a little chart on the back that compares it over the year. This was the most amount of electrical energy that we've used in a single month the entire year. Now, we do have two plug-in electric vehicles now, so I kind of expected it to go up a little bit. And to be fair, $40 to fuel two vehicles for a month, that's pretty tough to beat. That is dirt cheap. But still, it certainly seems high. And I think actually what happened was out here in my garage, I do heat with electric. And I think there was one time when I was intending to do some work out here for the weekend, I turned on the heat and it accidentally got left on for a day or two. And what happens is essentially it's running full tilt to get the energy into the concrete and heat this room out here. My fault for not keeping better track of that. One of the other neat things on this electric bill is actually on the peak energy, we earned money. We actually fed back to the grid 59 kilowatt hours during the peak time, and I got paid my peak 20 cents per kilowatt hour for doing that. So basically I saved $11.80 by backfeeding to the grid during peak power. So, you know, when everybody's using electricity, the factories are running. When we need electricity, I was feeding solar and getting paid for it, which was pretty cool. The other thing here is I actually did use a lot of energy, but all during the off-peak times and the off-peak rates. So I used 782 kilowatt hours, but that was all at only 6 cents per kilowatt hour. My traditional plan before would have been double that. So although I paid $46.92 for that energy, I got $11 off for the energy that I sent out during the peak time. And if I wasn't on that lower nighttime rate, I would have had to have paid double. So right there, I would have been paying about $100. So frankly, just being on the time of use plan saved me about $50. So even though I have to pay about $40 this month, my electric bill otherwise would have been about $100. And then without that peak usage would have been at least another 11, probably more. So we're talking between like $110, $120 electric bill, and instead I paid about 40. So even though I'm paying, I'm still pretty happy with it. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed these videos. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let your friends know about these. Stop on by 300mpg.org for more information on solar, electric car adventures, and all sorts of other stuff. And until next time, stay charged up.